How fast is a sneeze?
Like 30 miles per hour?
100 miles per hour. Bullet train speed.
Wait, that fast?
Droplets over 40 meters per second. That's why masks matter.
Unconscious power.
Eyes closing is reflex too. Open equals risk of eyeballs popping out.
Eyeballs popping?
Extreme cases but body instinctively protects.
Sneezes are no joke.